day, 1 hour and 1 minute will not came back in our entire life. So avoid fights, angriness and speak lovely to every person. A very cheerful good morning to respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers, friends, parents and all my viewers. I, Pranjal Gaur of class 4th C, along with my classmate, welcome you all for today's assembly. I pray because I believe the power of the prayer. I pray because God allowed me to wake up and see the another day. No matter what others say, I will pray. Now I call my friends for the beautiful prayer song.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday.
Thank you, my friends. Now let's recite our prayer along with Father Principal.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
Now I invite my friends for the school anthem.
Scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth, scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish here. The school we love and cherish here. Preparing us for life's rough phase. Preparing us for life's rough phase. St. Xavier's forever we will cheer. St. Xavier's forever we will cheer. God bless our dear old school. God bless our dear old school. Our principal, father, teachers all. Our principal, father, teachers all. Our playmates too and all other friends. Our playmates too and all other friends. Who will write our names immortal. Who will write our names immortal. St. Xavier's our ever friend. St. Xavier's our ever friend. God bless you is our daily prayer. God bless you is our daily prayer.
Now I invite my friend Tanveer to say thought of the day.
Very good morning to our respected Father Jobby, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. So, today's thought is, one beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. So, choose people having beautiful hearts rather than faces. I repeat my thought. One beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. So choose people having beautiful hearts rather than faces. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Tanveer, for the beautiful thought. A brother is a friend given by a nature. Now I call my friend Dhruvi to say on the topic Raksha Bandhan.
A very warm and cheerful good morning to respected Father Principal, teachers, sisters and all my dear friends.
I am now Dhruvi of Class 4C and would like to speak on the topic Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates the bond of brother and sister. This festival is celebrated in Hindu religion. It is one of the most important festivals. In addition, brother and sister wait eagerly for it all round the year. People celebrate it with abundant zeal and enthusiasm in India.
Thank you, Dhruvi, for telling us that there is a unique bond between brother and sister. Now I would like to call Pavitra to say on the topic thanking to all the Corona warriors.
Very good morning to everyone. Respected our father, principal, sisters, teachers, parents, and to all my dear friends. My name is Pavitra Mangal of Standard 4th C, and today I am going to tell topic thanking to all the Corona warriors. No words are enough to express gratitude towards all the Corona warriors who risked their own lives to save the lives of others. During this challenging time, Corona warriors have been doing commendable service to mankind. Doctors, nurses, police, ambulance drivers, and assistants. People helping the government in providing food deserve big appreciation from all of us. You are the real heroes of this country, and we every single effort to save every life. Thank you.
Yes, Pavitra. Thank you for telling us that our frontline healthcare workers are the real hero of our country.
Pledge. Pledge is the way that makes us aware about our duties towards our nation. So I request our class teacher Nancy ma'am for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity.
At last, I would like to thank our father principal, sisters, teachers, parents for giving us a wonderful opportunity to conduct digital assembly. This is Pranjal Gaur of class 4th C, ending this morning assembly with our national anthem.